Hello everyone, and welcome back to the second part of my new cleaning schedule. So today I'm going to be doing my bathroom. Is Tuesday, and that's just scrubbing the showers, the sinks, the toilets, cleaning the mirrors, and stuff like that. In this video, I'm also including Wednesday. And yes, I did film this on a Wednesday. This is actually the week after, so each of these days that I have done the cleaning schedule has been last week's. So I've actually already done this a week. So I'm just uploading like this Monday, I would have done it last Monday. This Tuesday, I would have done it last Tuesday. So I know you're saying, well, it's not even Wednesday yet. How'd you already do Wednesday? But yes, trust me, I did it on Wednesday. I'm really trying to stick with the schedule, so I will know for sure if this is something that's going to work with me or not. So I'm just going to be working in the bathroom first, and here I'm just using the Lysol cleaner. This actually has hydrogen peroxide in it, and I'm just using this on the bottom of the tub and just to kind of scrub like around the grout lines and everything. And I'm just going to be using this Method shower cleaner just to spray down my shower curtain, and I'm just going to be rubbing the shower curtain together. I'm not actually touching the cleaner, but I'm just rubbing the material together just to kind of scrub it a little bit. And sometimes I don't even rinse this, and I just got out of the shower, so the curtain was already like a little bit wet, but a lot of times I just don't even rinse it because, I mean, it's gonna get washed. So I know that's probably not good to have it set on there, but honestly, you can't see any residue or anything like that. And I just knocked off my other hanger that I had my bathrobes on. So here I'm just putting a new one, and I decided to put it on the back of the door. I'm not really sure why. I decided to switch it up like that. And in this video, I'm also including Wednesday's schedule, which is the living room and dining area, where I just clean the furniture, freshen up just the couches. And this is also the day that I grocery shop. So when I get home, before I put up the groceries, I would just clean out the refrigerator and just get everything in the dining room a little bit picked up, because on Thursdays, my dad comes over for dinner. And that's why I grocery shop on Wednesdays. So if we're gonna be making food at the house, I just like to have everything like stocked and nice, because I don't want to have to do it on the way home from work on Thursday and then have to start cooking. So I just like to go ahead and get the grocery shopping out of the way. And I decided to include Wednesday, the living room and dining room area, into this video with Tuesdays, because my living room is kind of destroyed right now. So thank you, Hurricane Michael. We're having a lot of construction done. There's been roofers at the house every day, and it's honestly just a mess. So there's not a lot really to do in the living room right now because I can't clean it until they're done, because within 5 minutes, they have made like a complete mess. So, and you'll see later in the video that everything's basically has plastic on it, and it's just somehow stuff still gets all over everything, just like ceiling debris, like dust everywhere. So I've been struggling with that. It's been really hard for me. I've cleaned it I don't know how many times, and every single time they'll just be pounding away on the roof, and I come back in the room and there's more debris and everything on the floor, and I'm like, no, I just cleaned that. So I'm having to really be patient and not want to clean it every 5 minutes. So I just decided to include it in this video, and I will insert a picture to show y'all what the living room looked like whenever I came home from work, and I had almost like a mini heart attack. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video, and don't forget to check back for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday's video. And I will also be including on Saturday's video my whole template. So I will show you my entire cleaning schedule that I've created. And it also has months on there and then a yearly schedule. And I will be doing updates throughout the year to show you how I incorporate that into my cleaning schedule.